So to install the QGIS software for creating maps, we will go to our browser and type QGIS download. We will select this one and select the first link, download QGIS. And from this site, we will select this one, skip it and go to download. And from here, we will select the long-term release, this one. This one is much more stable one and the suitable for creating maps for academics and students and other professionals. Download LTR, and this will start the download. The file is 550 MB and this will take couple of minutes based on your internet connection. So it has been downloaded. Now we will open the folder and we can see the installer here. Double click on it and it will start to install. Preparing to install. Click next. Check the license agreement. Next. Leave the path as it is. Next. Install. And it will again take couple of minutes to install. It is asking for permission. Click yes. So it is installed. Click finish. And let us now open the QGIS. Search for it. QGIS and double click on it. And this will start to open the QGIS software. It is opening and it has opened. I can see my previous projects as well, which means it has successfully installed. Now let us just open one to see if it is working properly. You won't see anything or any previous projects if you are installing it for the first time. So here is an Indian map here and I have created it previously. I can see the states and seaports, its population density in reddish colors and its states also. So thank you for watching, and if you want to learn how to use this QGIS software and to make this kind of maps, please follow for the next video and you will learn how to use this software to make your own custom map for your academic or professional work. Thank you.